How to fix Instagram saved audio not showing. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps right here, and then now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone, and then scroll until you find the Instagram app. Click on it, click on the force stop right here, and then you have to click on the storage. Wait a few seconds and then click on clear cache and clear data. Go back again, click on the data usage right here, scroll down, disable all those options and enable them again like this. And last thing you want to do, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and then update it if you don't have latest version, because sometimes it's just because of the update. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end.